We're back here at MyMoto Derbyshire and we're going to have a look around with Lee, who's going to show us his top summer picks. Here we are. So, well, where's your number one pick?
My number one, we can do leather first for number one. We'll probably class it for number one. We've got Dainese, we'll do Dainese first and we'll work round to other ones. So we've got the brand new Racing 5 Dainese jacket, what come in a couple of days ago, which is that one. So you've got a nice summer leather jacket. I'll go for probably the Racing 5. AA rated, Dainese thing with nice little stretch panels on the back for more comfort, especially if you want to wear it with the safety vest as well. It's easily compatible with that, which is just here, which is I may as well show it while it's here. Rechargeable smart vest, which you can do. So no, you don't have to pay a subscription on it. So with most airbag stuff, you have to pay a monthly subscription. But with that one, it's £600, but it's no subscription on it. So if you fancy wearing something like that for extra safety. And then next one, we'll look at the new RST Kangaroo leather jacket, which is a K-Sport, which has got nice carbon shoulder panels on it, elbow protection on it, which is a AAA rated jacket. So you get both level 2 armour in it, so you get elbow, shoulder and back in there, which is quite nice, stretchy, comfortable jacket, which you also compare with some jeans as well if you wanted to. I
think this is one of my top picks actually.
Yeah.
I love this jacket. Kangaroo leather as well?
Kangaroo. And perforated.
Those carbon shoulder cups, I like them.
Blend it off quite nice, don't they? Mm. I think the elbow pad's quite a good touch too.
So what's that top? That's top three.
We can do top three. And then obviously I said you compare that with some jeans. So if you want to be more comfortable in it somewhere, usually everyone likes to go for the Kevlr jeans.
Yeah.
And I'd say probably our best one's the RST Tech Pro, which is just here. It's obviously stretch panels in it. It's obviously interwound with core drawer, which makes it a AAA rated jean. Very stretchy, very relaxed, comfortable. As you can adjust the knee pads in it as well, so they can move up and down. It comes with hip armour as well, so it's a good bit of kit. And then the other one, if you want like a lightweight jacket, we've then got like the Havoc, which is a nice soft shell jacket, which is also waterproof as well. So if you do get caught out in it, it's shower proof. So a little shower, you'll be all right, keeps you dry. Hood on it as well, which is also detachable if you don't want to have a hood. Comes in different colours, so you've got the grey, black grey, and obviously the black as well.
So I've took this one out on a test.
Oh,
yeah. I think, when was it now? It was Halloween, so it was end of October.
Yeah.
And it was, even though it was a summer jacket with a base layer, it was pretty warm.
Yeah, we had a guy, to be fair, sold one over day, and he said he went, because he wanted something a bit warmer. And we're like, oh, I don't know if it'd be particularly warm, but he said, no, it's absolutely fine. Enjoy it. So it is a good little jacket to keep you, like I say, if it is a bit breezy.
Yeah.
It's all right to wear. It's a nice jacket.
So what's next? Have we got any helmets in your top summer picks?
Top summer picks? Oh, it depends on what typical style you're after, to be fair. I mean, obviously now we've got the new K7 that's come in, which is nice, new AGVs, kind of like everyday helmet, so it's a bit of everything. Got good ventilation on it. It's a nice styled helmet with a sun visor in it as well, which is good. It says, and I can do it, which is there. So it's got a bit of everything for an everyday. So there's a few really. I mean, the K7, the Commander's a good helmet for like your touring range. It's all different styles really. Obviously, like the full carbon's nice, and the Commander, which is nice, lightweight touring helmet, and that's also got the sun visor in as well.
They do look amazing.
Yeah, nice and light as well.
Yeah.
And the interior is really nice on them too. Nice comfy helmet. And then the other one I probably go for is either the Quantic, to be honest. Nice quiet lid, fits well, dead comfy. Nice range of colours on it. I like the new mosaic, to be fair, especially when it's in sun with the like glitterness to it.
I think that's a bit subtle. I'd go for this.
Oh really?
Yeah, because I think we've
they always go a bit plain, don't they?
the Quantics didn't really have anything too jazzy or bright, and that's really kind of
that does pop,
moved them on a bit.
Yeah, especially if you like your fluorescent yellow, it really stands out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then obviously do some quite nice ones in
Looks a little bit
RX-7 as well.
Colin Edwards, that does.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Well, I do like quite some of the new graphics in like the RX-7 as well. But that one's quite nice. And then the new Argo rep's nice too. I don't quite like that. It's quite nice with a little tractor on it out back.
That was cool.
Yeah. Yeah, no, they are nice.
So is that all your top picks?
I do particularly like the shark helmet as well. I think that's a nice touch. It's nice, stealthy.
How much do they go for?
380 then. We get 3-dot visor as well with that. And they also do a, what's that like? That's 370 that one. And then it's the matte black one, what's 380. If you want a matte black carbon, and that comes with a 3-dot visor as well. So they're a nice helmet.
Looks nice.
Mm.
And do these come with the tinted visors?
Yes.
Yeah. So you get the pink. You get
with the pink. You get the pink one. That one you get the black one. That one you get blue with it as well. We'd have a red one, but also come with a red visor, which you can still get. We're just not going in stock at the minute, which were nice helmet.
This is a new wall you got done here.
It is, yeah. So we just put on lumberjack shirts and casual type stuff on there. So obviously you've got your airbag vests and stuff on there as well, so you can wear any jacket you want if you want to put one of them under. Yeah. Which makes it nice.
What about these?
The Torque 4s, I do like the Torque 4 boot, to be honest.
Look at that for cool.
I like the little front of it.
Yeah,
like
the
Spider-Man effect, I call it.
Transparent arm.
That's it. I do like them. Boot-wise, obviously some ones you can even have the new K-Sport, which I like the pattern on them, to be fair. Because they don't look like a normal standard motorbike boot. Yeah, very casual. And obviously they're a nice one as well, the Suede high top for a more casual look. They're a nice little boot you can have to wear with your jeans. So yeah, and then glove wise, there's a new the new K-Sport gloves, quite nice, lightweight, similar pattern to obviously the K-Sport shoe and the jacket. Just a nice little lightweight summer glove.
Summer glove, yeah.
That can wear. And
you've got doodle gloves to go with the doodle suit that's over here. And this is the doodle suit was inspired by Alistair Fagan's 44T suit.
I do like this suit though. It's a nice, very out there, but it's nice. Yeah. Good looking suit.
With the changeable shoulder cups as well. You can see little screws on here.
What's it? Same again. You've got nice little shoulder panels and stuff on it as well.
Oh, that was cool. Right.
Sound?
Yeah. So that was Lee's top tips for 2025, some of his favourite products, and a little look around the Derbyshire store. So if you're passing through Claycross, make sure you swing by and have a look at some of the new products we got in. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. Please remember we've got 3 stores. We've also got a store in Manchester and Leeds, and we've got 2 websites, so mymoto-uk.com and dstoremanchester.co.uk. So if you can't make it to one of our stores, please go to our website. Please like and subscribe as well if you enjoyed this video and you want to support us. And thank you for watching. Till next time, ride safe.